So this is the Frister Rossmann 66 doing a buttonhole. It's a corded buttonhole with a cord in the centre, controlled by this knob in the middle of the dial. In one position it will sew forwards, the other position it sews backwards, and in the middle it does a bar tack. So we start off. In the machine there are about 5 or 6 different sizes of buttonhole. This I think is probably the largest one at 1 1/16. Set in the red dial on the red dot, and between 1 and 1.5 stitch width. Take this forward. It comes to the end where it goes between the feet. You then move it to the centre. It goes across both, and then it should be out of the material. Move it to the second position, and then it goes backwards until it comes up to the end. When it's out, move it to the middle, and a few bar tacks. And then take that out, and that's at the top. Off at the back. Pull through on the cord. I've done it with a dark coloured cord just to show, so you can see exactly what's going on. But hopefully you can see there. There's a very nice, neat corded buttonhole, and on the reverse you've got a lovely bottom stitch too. There are a variety of useful stitches, from straight stitch, which goes from 1 to 4 in length, to zigzag, it's the maximum zigzag, and then there are a number of other quite useful stitches. These are controlled by using the centre switch knob, and then depending on whether the width and the stretch is in either towards the red or the white, or 0 to 4. For blind stitching, the top lever is between 3 and 4 on the red dot, and it is set to the blind stitch setting. And that stitches like that with the occasional step over. There is a smocking stretch stitching, which has setting is to the on the dial 4, stitch length 4, stretch setting. And that gives a very nice smocking stitch, which looks like that. There is an overcast stretch stitch. In this case, it's by turning the dial to the next setting. And that looks like this with the occasional step over.